Welcome to another unboxing video. This one is another microphone that I got today from Ringtech Kenya. These guys were one of the first guys who ever supported me when I was starting on this journey of content creation. The lighting, the stands, almost everything that I shoot content with except for the camera and a few other items came from Ringtech Kenya. And today they gave me something, this. So this is Comica. This is actually called Comica VM30 and it's a shotgun microphone, as you guys can see. It's mounted on the camera. It's got a receiver. It's for the camera, smartphone, as well as the laptop or computer that you're using. So let's unbox this and get to know what's inside here. So this is the packaging they have. They've written here, "Thank you for shopping with us. It's an honor to be a part of your journey. Would love to hear your story." And I think I have a story with these guys. You guys can just call them. So before I unbox it, it's going for 24,000 at their shops. But when you say that Moran sent you, of course you get it at 22,500 Kenya shillings because I'm a loyal customer. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. Let's just unbox this and see. So upon unboxing, you find that it's already enclosed in another bag. So now we can just set this aside. So this is now the bag that it comes with. So if the box does not work for you, then you can carry it around using this bag. It's black and I love black. Let's see what's inside here. So this is all the content you find inside this box. You find the shotgun itself. This is the shotgun itself. You find the shotgun. It's got an adjustment at the back. We'll test it. Of course, we're not testing it right now. Then you find a stand for you to mount it. You find a USB-C to lightning adapter. You find a cable. This is a cable that is both USB and the micro USB. The other end of the micro USB and or the USB as it said. It's not a type C, of course, for you to be able to connect it either to the laptop, I think. Then you have the receiver. This is the Comica receiver. Looks similar to what we've seen in most other microphones, but now the performance is what will tell us whether it's actually a good one. Then you find the mount that you mount to the camera. It's got some sort of a filter. This is a filter and I like filters now. Then it's got a windshield, which is also a filter for the wind. I like it. And this is the cable that you connect directly from the microphone to the camera. So yeah, this was just an unboxing video. And now that you guys know what's inside the box, now we can go ahead and test this microphone and know whether it's better than all the other microphones that I've used. And as I've said, you guys can just go on to Ringtech Kenya and let them know that Moran sent you and they'll give you this at 22,500. Stick around, guys.